Good morning, students. This is the first chapter for class 7th, subject computers. We have discussed about the hardware component of computer, the external hardware component in our previous video. Now we will discuss about the internal hardware. It is very important to know that internal hardware of computer are mainly attached with the motherboard of the computer. These are the hardware which we can touch only whenever we are opening our cabinet, otherwise we are not able to see. So it is very important to open the cabinet to see all that hardware. I will try my best to show you all these hardware in the book. First one is the motherboard. It is the main circuit board of the computer. A circuit board is a board on which printed or integrated circuits are fixed. Here many integrated circuits are fixed. ICs, in the short we can say that IC are fixed on which we can control our computer. These integrated circuits are the other internal hardware components that are connected to the motherboard. The first one is the processor. It is known as the CPU of the computer. It is the main part of the computer, due to which computer is known as the brain of the computer. Due to the CPU, we call the cabinet the CPU. So CPU is the central processing unit. It controls all the part of the computer. It tells which part of the computer perform which type of work. It tells the mechanism of each and every part of the computer. It is of three types. First one is arithmetic and logic unit. Second one is control unit. Third one is the memory unit. Arithmetic and logic unit perform the arithmetic and logical operator in the computer, like plus, minus, multiply, divide, less, greater, less than equal, greater than equal, etc. Control unit controls all the resources of the computer, all the processing taking place into the computer. So control unit is control all the parts of the computer, all the processing running inside the computer. And last one is the memory unit. Memory unit provides the memory to your program whenever it is during the execution time. Memory unit means it is the temporary storage area where your data is working only when it is running or the execution. And next one is the disk drive, or we can say the important part of disk drive is hard disk drive. Hard disk drive, it is an internal hardware of the computer. It has a very great storage capacity. We can store 64 GB to 3 terabyte TB data inside it. We can store thousands, lakh, crores of files, audio and video file into the computer. It is a permanent storage area of computer. We can store our data for long time. So hard disk is a permanent storage device. It cannot delete data until or unless user want. It is also other part the compact disk R and RW. Compact disk R, it means compact disk recordable. It record your data and we can read only that data, not read data. And CD RW, compact disk read writable. It means to say we can write data, we can read data, we can delete data from the CD RW. Sound card. A sound card is a hardware component that enable a computer to produce sound. Due to the sound card, we are able to listen the sound of audio, of video, of any game. A sound card is attached on the motherboard. We have to install the software of the sound card into the computer. Most of the Windows provide this facility whenever you are installing the Windows in our computer, like Windows 7, Windows 10, etc. Due to the sound card, we are able to listen the sound each and everything. Next one is the graphic card. It is known as the graphic adapter or graphic controller. It provides the facility to show our icon on the screen very neat and clean. It resolute our screen very fairly. So we can say that a graphic card is a hardware component that controls the display of graphics such as picture and videos. This is enhance the display of the pictures as well as the video. Last one is the switch mode power supply. It is an electronic circuit that provides power supply to the computer. It actually stabilize the power. Whenever power is high, it manages. Whenever power is low, it manages. It supplies the power to the CPU, to the computer, so that computer can be run very easily. Computer cannot be hacked very easily. Dear students, these are mainly the internal hardware of computer. It is very important to know about these all parts of the computer, because without the knowledge of this part you cannot aware any other thing. So dear students, now I am giving some brief introduction about some of the parts of the computer. Like first part of the computer, external, the monitor. It is a visual display unit. It is used to show your result on the screen. Second one is the keyboard. It is used for typing. It is an input device. Third one is the mouse. It is also an input device. We can say that mouse is pointing device. It has three buttons, left, right and scrolling button. Next one is the printer. It is the printer is of two type, impact and non-impact. Impact printer is dot matrix, non-impact is inkjet printer, laser printer. Next one is the scanner. Scanner is of two type, flatbed scanner and the barcode scanner, used to scan the barcode written on the product. Next one is the USB flash drive or the USB pen drive. It is used to store large amounts of data. Next one is the modem. It is used to modulate and demodulate the signal or convert the digital signal to analog or analog signal to digital. Next one is the port. A computer port is a connection point between a computer and the external or internal devices. Port provide the facility to connect internal and external devices with the computer. Next one is the internal hardware component like motherboard. It is a main circuit board. A circuit board is a board on which printed and integrated circuits are fixed. This is the motherboard, and this is the processor known as the CPU. It has three parts: the CU, ALU and memory. Next one is the disk drive, the hard disk drive, the CD, R or RW. A compact disk CD. Compact is recordable and compact is rewritable. Next one is the sound card. Enable us to listen the sound, audio and video. We have to install the software for the sound card. Graphic card. A graphic card is a hardware component that controls the display of graphics such as picture and video. This is the graphics card. It enhance the visibility of the screen. It enhance the picture quality of the screen. Next one is the SMPS, switch mode power supply. It stabilize the power, stabilize the connection. Now the assignment of the student, know the difference between the external and the internal hardware. External hardware difference. External hardware are attached from the externally of the CPU. Internal hardware mostly are attached with the motherboard. The assignment are here. What is the function of motherboard? What is SMPS? What is its use? What is a scanner? Explain the function of modem, explain the function of port, what is the monitor, what is keyboard, write the full form of keyboard, mouse, SMPS and any other device of the computer, what is printer, how the barcode scanner work, what is modem, how the modem work, and I will tell you about the questioning or the assignment in the next PDF file. Thanking you, a very thank you.